purchasing organization that goes to a pharmacy benefit manager that does sets of negotiations with the pharmacy, who eventually gives it to the patient. And on the left-hand side, you have sets of wholesalers who are shipping the product. They also negotiate with the pharmacy in terms of agreements and payments. And on the top right-hand side, you have the third-party payer or the health plan that negotiates certain benefits and rebates with the pharmacy benefit manager. I will show you the two materials that are in the supplemental materials. That's a very good reading. One is the pricing and reimbursement document, which actually is done by a legal group. And here they have extensive definitions on what each one of the players are and what they do. I'll be referencing it throughout this talk and summarizing it at the end of this discussion. And this is the PDF for the USC paper, where as you can see, the chart that I just showed you is here, as well as this chart is as well in terms of the players that were involved in 2015. So let's get to that. So in 2015, there were distinct players that could be grouped. You had the sets of manufacturers, and over here is a sort of a list of companies by how much market share that they hold, by the brands or generics that they have. You have distinct pharmacy benefit managers. Over here, you have Express Scripts, CVS Health, OptumRx. Then you have sets of wholesalers like McKesson, AmerisourceBergen, Cardinal Health, and you have sets of pharmacies, your Walgreens, CVS Retail, and Walmart. Over here on the right-hand side, you have sets of insurers. You have the United Health Group, Anthem, Aetna, Cigna, Humana, and so forth. These sets of players, look at the change in just a few years. In just 6 years, you have acquisitions which basically vertically integrate each one of these groups into sort of major players. So CVS, for instance, acquired Aetna. So on the left-hand side, you have an insurer, a pharmacy benefit manager, a specialty pharmacy and provider services. You have the main insurance groups, your Aetna, your Anthem, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Centene, Cigna, Humana, and United Healthcare. Within them have each one of these pharmacy benefit managers that serve as a middleman between